Rahim, hope so you people must be taking good care of yourselves. Still it's pandemic, so please don't go outside, stay safe, stay home. So this lecture is for class 7th and it's a computer class. Okay ji, our value of the week is friendship. A true friend is not only honest to his self but to his friend as well. So all of you choose your friend wisely whenever you choose friends. So today we will discuss about shading, then page border, and then we will go for page numbers, and then we will add tab stops. Okay ji. Well, what is shading? To fill the text with specific color, and shading is used to grab the attention of the user. Okay. Okay, it's very simple to shade a text. Select a text and go to the shading. Okay, and you can shade any color, you can use any color. Like you can see that your text is getting changed and you can choose any color, and you have just not these colors, you have more colors as well. Go to the more colors and you can get the more different colors. You can choose any color from here and you can click on the OK, and after clicking OK your text looks like this. Okay, our next topic is page border. Let's discuss about it. Page borders are the borders which appears outside the margins on each page. You can use any style, color and line thickness, whatever you want to use. Okay, to set the page border, go to the format tab, then go to the page border. From here you can set the page border of your choice, and then go to the box, then go to the style. From here you can get different styles, get the color from here. You can also use the art and your border will be set like this. Okay. But next topic is that how can we insert a page numbers in MS Word. Applying numbers to the pages means that you are going to give the sequence to the pages of the book or the document. Okay, let's discuss it. How can you insert it? Our next topic is tab stop. Let's discuss that. What is tab stop? A tab stop is a place where your text moves when someone presses the tab button from the keyboard. There are 5 types of tab stops. Let me discuss. It's a left tab, center tab, right tab, decimal tab and bar tab. By default it's on 0.5 inch, but you can set it according to your choice. For applying tab stop, first of all you need to type your content. You can separate your data with tab and end each line with the enter key. You can select one line or you can select the complete text, wherever you want to apply the tab stop. I have selected the complete text, and if your ruler is not showing the tab stop, you can go to the ruler on the ribbon tab from the click view. Okay, from here I will add the tab stops here. First of all I will add the decimal point here, and you can see that decimal tab stop line text at the decimal point. Then I will add right tab here. Here you can see the right alignment as well. Then I will add the bar tab here. A bar tab adds a bar with the text. Okay, and then I will add the left tab here. You can see that left tab align text at the left side of the tab stop. Got it? Thank you so much all of you. Stay home and have a good day. Allah Hafiz.